channel. So today I'm in beautiful Eagle Rock, Los Angeles. We are 15 minutes from downtown Los Angeles, and this is like the most beautiful place I've ever been. There are just mountains all around, tons of great greenery, plants, even wildlife. I'm super excited today to be cooking with Husbands That Cook, Adam and Ryan.
Yes.
Hey guys.
Hello.
They are some of my favorite bloggers that I follow on Instagram, and I'm super excited to be in their home today cooking with them. And so you guys want to introduce yourself?
I'm Ryan.
I'm Adam, and like Eitan said, we are Husbands That Cook.
We have a cooking blog here in LA. We share recipes a couple times a week. We have a cookbook coming out next March, and we go live every Saturday.
Yes.
All right, perfect. So today, one of my favorite things on your Instagram, on your blog, are seeing all the pictures of the cocktails. So while I can't actually drink them because they have alcohol, I love the pictures and like the flavor combinations you do. So today we're gonna actually be recreating one of Husbands That Cook's, like I think it's one of probably your most popular, at least I've seen, cocktail recipes on their blog. We're making it into a mocktail. So I guess just take it away,
So what we're making today is a blackberry vanilla mojito mocktail.
With a lime mint sugar rim.
Yes, a lime mint sugar rim and a vanilla simple syrup. It's really delicious and it's super easy to make too.
All right, perfect. So let's get started.
Let's do it.
Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the lime mint sugar rim.
And it's really easy. You basically just mix all the lime zest and mint and sugar in a food processor, and that's it.
That's it. It takes like 2 seconds.
There we go.
Okay, so you just pulse it up.
Oh, that was so good.
We have that gorgeous color, and it smells incredible. That like lime mint.
Lime mint sugar in a matter of seconds.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Look at that beautiful color.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
That's like this jade green color.
Just 3 ingredients.
Yeah, it's really easy, and this makes probably more than you'll need, but this actually keeps really well. So you could save it for other things. It's good sprinkled on top of
Cakes.
I mean, yeah.
Pancakes.
Yes, or just straight into your mouth. That'd be fantastic.
Yes, exactly.
So we have that nice sugar, and
Perfect.
yeah, that's it.
All right, so now let's get started on the rest of the drink.
Yeah.
All right, so we have cleaned off our surface and we got out our pot and stovetop, and we are now going to make the vanilla simple syrup.
Yes, yeah, so simple syrups are super easy. You've made them before. Equal parts sugar and water, and then for this one we're using a vanilla bean. We're gonna scrape out all that delicious
All right, perfect.
good stuff in there.
We'll scrape it out. And actually, vanilla beans are a pretty new thing I've been cooking with. I've had them, actually there's like a pretty big collection of them, but for some reason I only started actually using them like literally a few weeks ago, and I love the amazing flavor.
It's incomparable, right?
Yes, it's like 100 times better than vanilla extract.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Here we go. And now let's add into our pot some water.
Cup of water, cup of sugar, and 1 vanilla bean.
Yeah.
Go.
Easy.
And the sugar.
Oh, the vanilla bean smells so good.
Yeah, it's like filled the whole place with that great flavor and smell. Look at that. Look at that vanilla bean right here. Let's just make sure every last bit. A lot of it sticks to your finger, so you like have to scrape it off. Don't worry, I washed my hands.
Thank you, appreciate that.
All right, let's get that all in there.
And it's really worth doing it yourself rather than using vanilla extract. There's just so much more flavor, and like Ryan was saying, it adds like a nice color with the black speckles in it.
Yeah, and we're gonna be filtering this. You can actually just take these guys.
Oh, perfect.
And just drop them right in.
More vanilla.
Yes, more vanilla flavor.
And then we're gonna mix this just until it comes to a simmer.
Yes, exactly. Turn the heat there, and it'll the sugar will dissolve, and it'll come to a simmer.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
All right, so we let the simple syrup cool down a bit, and now it's time to strain out all the vanilla.
Yes.
There we go.
Because all the flavor's been infused.
Look at that.
We just want to make sure we don't get like huge clumps. All right, there we go. And if you look at this, you can see it has this amazing like yellowish color from the vanilla and the sugar, and then those little vanilla beans throughout, which is I think really why you should definitely use vanilla bean as opposed to just vanilla extract. All right, so let's get started now assembling the drink. So you show me what to do.
Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we need to rim the glasses with that gorgeous lime mint sugar. So what we're gonna do is Adam's gonna cut open a lime, and we'll use.
Should I pour this on here?
Yeah, so put some lime sugar in there, and we'll use the sort of wet part of the lime to moisten the edge of the glass, and then we'll dip it in the sugar like this. Okay, so now you have the glass that's nice and wet on the edge with all that lime juice, and then we'll just kind of dip and twist like that. And then,
Oh, there we go.
Beautiful.
That's great.
gorgeous rim like that.
All right, perfect. And then,
Now that we have our glass ready to go, we will start with a couple blackberries in here. We about 7, not 6, not 8, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a couple mint leaves, and we'll just muddle that up.
oh, I love muddling.
Yes.
It's my favorite thing.
I'm gonna let you muddle that.
Oh, sure. And I've never used a real, it's a muddler?
A muddler, yeah.
Muddler?
Just-
Usually I just use like the end of a wooden stick.
That works too.
That works too. You don't have to like buy a muddler just for this. Like you can totally use the back of a spoon or
Yeah, I think that's a great tip.
whatever you want to do. But when you muddle it, especially when you release those oils from the mint, it like really just adds a lot of flavor to the drink that you wouldn't get just by throwing it in there.
And how much do I want this to be, a pulp or leave some chunks? What do you guys like?
I like to like partway between pulp and chunks. You want a little bit of
how
texture
does
in that. That looks perfect.
That looks perfect.
So now that that's muddled, we will do a ½ ounce of lime and a ½ ounce of the simple syrup, and we're good to go. I'm gonna do this. That's now. Okay, so now we have the drink muddled. We're gonna do a ½ ounce of lime.
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, and then we'll do the vanilla simple syrup as well.
And it's really sweetens the drink.
Yes. Okay, and then if we were doing a cocktail, we would do tequila, but we're not doing that today.
Not today.
So we're gonna do some ginger beer. Actually, let's put the ice in first.
Sure.
Some ice and ginger beer. That'll be it.
Ooh, oh, is that like a fancy?
Nice
Oh, that's
fancy
so
cubes
cool.
of ice there.
Okay, usually when I do mocktails, they're like low budget. We just use the ice from the fridge. But this is really cool. Oh my gosh, gotta get one of those.
Yes, those are fun. And then we'll just, top it off with ginger beer.
This is a spicy ginger beer, which
Yes.
we like. It has more flavor than like ginger ale. This is ginger beer.
Yes. And you have this gorgeous color. And then if we want, we gotta garnish the drink, right? So we have some picks here. Stick that through maybe 2 of these.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Maybe some mint leaf.
Maybe a mint leaf, garnish. Can't have a cocktail without a garnish.
Yeah.
Or a mocktail, either one.
That's one of the things I love in your pictures. You always have lots of like great garnish. Oh my god, that looks amazing.
That,
Maybe some mint.
some mint on the side there. And then look at that.
And there you go. All right, add that. That is just filled with those amazing color. You have the blackberries, the mint, and if you look in there, I don't know if you guys see on camera, you have like those little vanilla pods, which is gonna be like bursts of flavor, and topped off with that lime and sugar. This just looks like an awesome drink. Thank you guys so much for showing me how to make this. I
Yes.
cannot wait to go home, make this in my kitchen and try it. This is quite an amazing drink. I'm sure my family will love to have it too. All right, so where can everyone find you?
Yes, you can find us at husbandsthatcook.com, where you will also find the recipe for this blackberry vanilla mojito mocktail.
And you can find us on Instagram at Husbands That Cook, Facebook, Twitter. You can find us everywhere. Husbands That
Everywhere.
Cook.
Thanks
All right,
for having
perfect.
us.
Yes, thank you so much. This
So
was
fun.
so fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want the recipe for this amazing blackberry vanilla mojito mocktail, you can find it in the description box below. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for tons more awesome videos. And comment down below what your favorite mocktail is. Thank you. All right, we are gonna go finish making some more mocktails and just enjoy the amazing view. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hey guys, did you enjoy watching that video? If you did, stay tuned this Thursday. We are filming a video behind the scenes of the photo shoot for this recipe. If you want to learn how to elevate your food photography, be sure to watch this Thursday here on my YouTube channel.